Today I bring you to a place called Sharon Woods. It's in Hamilton County, Ohio. It's very cold and we're out of our elements, and we may be making this trip, this may have to be short, because no sooner we got here, we had a message, we got to call a family member, and it sounded like maybe emergency. Not immediate family members, but yeah. So we're going to try to call them again. But right now we're going after some waterfalls, y'all. They got some really spectacular waterfalls from what I gather. And I'm off my game because I'm out of my elements and it's cold. Did I say that already? Alright guys, we're going to get as much as we can on my G70 and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we're going to go across this bridge, see if we can find a waterfall. And please excuse me for today because there is something going on in the family and Angie's on the phone right now. So I'm going to get what I can, and this may be a short video today. Absolutely beautiful. We bought a pass for a year to this park so we come back more and more. And yeah, oh my word, that's beautiful. I'm going to try to hold this as steady as I can. But wow, look at that. But that isn't amazing. Oh. Well, we just have confirmation it's not good, so we're going to have to make this video short today and head back home. We're about an hour, a little bit over an hour from home. But right now, we're going to get some shots, then head back. But wow, look at that. If that ain't something else. Holy smokes. Something about waterfalls just soothes the soul, don't it? Yeah. And it doesn't look like I may have a Christmas video, guys. Then again, I might. But just in case I don't have a Christmas video, hope you all have a happy and safe Christmas. And this bridge I'm on seems to be swinging. Okay, here's the other side of the bridge. We just pan a little bit on the left, and pan a little bit on the right. There we go. Oh, it's quite beautiful up here, isn't it? Okay, there is a family emergency, but ain't much we could do at this point. So we're gonna get a few more shots and take her back home, y'all. Yeah, I will come back here and do this place justice, probably before winter's out. All right, now I'm gonna go down and see if I can get closer to the waterfall and get some shots there, and that might be it for today, y'all.
Oh, the nose is cold.
Yeah, did I mention it's freezing cold out here?
Probably about 1,000 times.
Yeah, probably. Kitt don't seem to be minding it right now. Yeah, I was out with Kitt back a couple days ago. Actually, it was last weekend. He was getting cold. I wasn't used to that because Stormy, my other dog, was a long-haired dog. Kitt's a short-haired dog, so we got a sweater coming for him. Yes. So we're going to see if we can make our way down safely if we can, or at least as close as we can to get as close to these waterfalls as we can. Yeah, if anything I said made sense. Absolutely amazing. Holy smokes. Oh man. I don't know what it is lately. I've been trying to get waterfalls. I've been dreaming of waterfalls. Only place that has waterfalls near us, well, there's a couple of them, we've been to multiple times. And this kind of came up last night, Sharon Woods. Got a few things to tell you about this place before we end today's video. I didn't do much talking on the last couple of them, guys. I want you all to hear the water. We're gonna give a total pan around. And I'm making my wife very nervous at this moment. I'm at the edge of the waterfall. A place I should not be. Very dangerous right now, what I'm doing. Whoop, go down, Michael, go down. There you go. Oh my word. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh man. Isn't that pretty? Yes, it's very pretty, Michael. Let's get another shot of the falls and pan her on down. Oh my word. This is some beauty, isn't it? I'm very pleased with this. Oh man. Alright guys. Let's head her back. There's good old Kitt right yonder. Hey Kitt! How do you feel about this place? You like it? How about you, Angie?
Yeah, I like it.
Not bad, is it?
Stop eating that.
No, not bad at all. Alright guys, I don't know what I'm going to do from here. Might get a little bit more footage. Then close her out because we need to be heading back. Okay, we're going to head up here to this other bridge. Then we'll probably close her up. Now, Sharon Woods. If you guys been following me on YouTube for any length of time, you will know I mentioned this quite a few times here and there. I'm originally from Cincinnati, Ohio. I moved down here. I lived here in the 70s. And then Mom and I moved here in '83. When I was a little boy, about 10 years old, my Uncle Fred brought me here to Sharon Woods. Do I remember any of this? I remember him and I walking around somewhere, but do I remember what we're seeing now? No. Look at this beautiful bridge. Oh wow, we're gonna go right to the middle of it and get a shot down of the water from there. Oh, so beautiful. I just found an even bigger falls. Oh my word. Look at that. Yeah, I think we're gonna probably try to head down that way. I gotta get it, because if I don't get it, I'm gonna be very angry with myself. Oh, wow. Absolutely remarkable. Oh, wow. We're going to zoom in. And zoom back out. Absolutely remarkable. Holy smokes. It is entirely the next day. Guys, I got to give a closure. I got to be honest with y'all. No sooner than we started filming yesterday, my wife had a text message. There was a death on her side of the family. So, we was already there. There was no rush to get anywhere from that point. So we did what we could, and yeah, so pretty much I'm giving a closure now, and I'm on my older camera too. Yesterday, my GoPro 10 kept pooping the bed. I'm thinking it's having a problem with the cold. So I got the GoPro 9 out now. My volume may be a little different. That's always been a problem, is trying to keep the volume equal. Well, I do believe it's the batteries. I just died again. I got one of my older batteries in there now. We'll see how long this lasts. If it doesn't, then I will record my face on the G70. Guys, let's get started. Wait a minute. I'm ending this video. Oh my God. Think, Mike. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed the The Waterfalls, they probably won't be a video out for Christmas, but we will see you that Friday. I'm at another location right now. I'm videotaping Friday's video now. So, we'll see you Friday? Alright guys, sorry. I'm a little goofed up. I was worried about my GoPro. And I believe it is the battery's not being able to handle the cold. Alright, guys, overlook me. We'll see you Friday.